This is the Voyager cooler from 4ALLFAMILY, also known as the Auto Shut-Off Medicine Cooler. Today we're gonna look at how to use this product. This unit has two cooling options, which makes it perfect for any scenario. The first cooling method is the Biogel Ice Pack. To use this cooling method, you need to shake the Biogel pack before inserting it into the freezer. This way, the Biogel is spread equally and is not concentrated in one area. The next step is to insert it in the freezing compartment of your fridge. Make sure to leave it there for a minimum of 6 hours, however, leaving it in the freezer for more than 6 hours will not damage the Biogel Ice Pack. When you want to use this cooling method, take the Biogel out of the freezer and insert it in a bowl of lukewarm tap water for 2 to 3 minutes. Then pat the Biogel dry and place it in the stainless steel container with your medications. This was the first cooling method. Easy, right? For more information on the performance of this cooling method, please click the link below this video. Now let's see how you can use the second cooling mechanism, which we call the USB lid cooling option. To use this cooling method, plug in the USB lid 15 minutes before you insert your medications inside the aluminium tube of the USB lid. This way, the USB lid will be at fridge temperature before you insert your medications. After 15 minutes, open the cooler and put your medications inside the aluminium part of the USB lid. Make sure to flip the lid upside down or keep it horizontally while putting your medications in. After you've inserted your medications, merge the USB lid and the container, just like in this video. The last step is to connect the USB lid to a power supply, like our power bank or any other power supply like a wall outlet or a car USB port. That's it. Be advised that whenever you use this cooling system, you should always place it within the Voyager cooler's carrying bag and never insert it into an airtight space when using it. Remember, you can switch between the two cooling methods at any time if you have frozen up the Biogel Ice Pack. You can start using the Biogel Ice Pack and then switch to the USB lid during your trip. The Voyager cooler is perfect for keeping insulin and medications at the right temperature on your next trip. It is TSA approved, which means you can travel with your medications all around the world hassle-free. Traveling with temperature-sensitive medications has never been easier. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and now feel confident traveling with your medications. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment on this video or contact our customer service support number provided below the description of this video. Stay cool and limitless.